Ever needed to move files between your computer and your website? Maybe you're trying to upload a new theme, a plugin, or even fix something that's broken. Well, FileZilla is a completely free tool that makes this super easy. If that sounds like something you need, this beginner's guide is for you. So what exactly is FileZilla? In simple terms, it's an FTP client. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol, which is just a fancy way of saying it connects your computer directly to your web server. This connection allows you to upload files from your machine to your website, or download files from your website back to your machine. Think of it as a bridge between your desktop and your live site. First things first, you need to download it. Head over to FileZillaProject.org. On the download page, you'll see two main options, FileZilla Client and FileZilla Server. It's really important that you download the FileZilla client. The server version is for something else entirely. Once you've downloaded it, just run the installer and follow the on-screen steps. It's a pretty standard installation process. Okay, now that you have FileZilla installed, you need your login details to actually connect to your website. There are 4 pieces of information you'll need from your web hosting provider. The host, a username, a password, and the port number. The host is usually your website's domain name, and the port is typically 21 or 22. You can almost always find these details inside your hosting control panel, often called cPanel, or in the welcome email your hosting company sent when you first signed up. With your login details in hand, it's time to connect. Open up FileZilla. You'll see fields at the very top of the window for host, username, password, and port. Go ahead and enter the information you just found. Once everything is typed in, click the Quick Connect button. If all the details are correct, you'll see a bunch of text scroll by in the status window, and then you'll be connected. If it works, congratulations! You're in. Now let's get familiar with the layout. It might look a bit intimidating at first, but it's simple. The left side of the screen shows the files and folders on your computer. This is called the local site. The right side of the screen shows the files and folders on your web server. This is the remote site. When you're working on your website, the most important folder you'll probably interact with is called public_HTML. This is usually where all your website's public files are stored. Ready to upload your first file? It's as easy as drag and drop. On the left side, navigate to the file you want to upload from your computer. Then simply click on it, drag it over to the right side into the correct folder, like public_HTML, and let go. You'll see the transfer happen at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. Your file is now live on your website. Downloading files is just as easy, but in reverse. Find the file you want to download on the right side, your website, and drag it over to the folder you want to save it in on the left side, your computer. This is a great way to make backups of your important website files before you make any changes. Speaking of changes, you can do more than just upload and download. If you right-click on a file on either side, you'll get a menu with options like rename or delete. But a huge word of caution here. Always make a backup of a file before you delete or edit it. This way, if something goes wrong, you have a copy to restore. Let's quickly cover a few common mistakes beginners make. First, don't delete files unless you are 100% sure what they do. Deleting a critical file can easily break your entire website. Second, always double-check which folder you are in before you upload or delete anything. It's easy to accidentally put a file in the wrong place. Remember, back up first. And that's it. You now know the basics of using FileZilla to manage your website's files. It's a powerful tool that you'll find incredibly useful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, a like or subscribe would be amazing. See you next time.